Welcome back viewers. In today's video, I am going to show you one Conky theme that is the best and the most functional or the most featured Conky theme that I have found in the Linux. So you have to install the Arcolinux. This theme is found in Arcolinux. You have to install Arcolinux. Any desktop you can install. You have to install the Conky and the Conky manager. Then you have to open the Conky manager, and this should be the theme. So if you are on any other Conky theme, you have to use this theme, that is the Conky AUR-Slate Conky RC. This is the default Conky for the XFCE desktop of Arcolinux. Here you can see, I will just show you what it shows. It can show the Linux architecture. You can see it here, it is 64-bit architecture. Then it shows the kernel name perfectly, there is no error. It shows the distro name perfectly. Many of the Conkys will not show the correct distro name, or the distro name space will be blank. It will show the CPU type also. So it is showing my AMD Ryzen 5 4600H. That H is the high performance with RA. Now the main thing is the update. So it is showing updates is less than 94. So around 94 updates are there. In the systems section, it shows the CPU, how much is used by the CPU. So you can see here between 7 to 17% of CPU usage is there. So it is showing 4 cores. Then in frequency, you can see CPU frequency, it is showing it is around 1300 to 1700 megahertz. So 4 cores are shown. Then here you can see what is this. This is the load. So different application load it is showing, how much CPU it is using. Then in the processes, it shows the total number of processes, how much processes are running. So 0 right now and 300 processes are running. And you can see in the load OBS, XOR, Conky, Pulse Audio. So these 4-5 applications are mostly putting load on the CPU. And you can also see the CPU temperature. So only CPU temperatures is not working, otherwise everything is working. Then in RAM, you can see 23% RAM is used, 1.71 GB out of the 7.12 GB available to the system, and which top 4 applications using the RAM. So it is OBS, XOR, Conky and the Pulse Audio. And the disk usage is also showing. You can see here disk usage is there. So read write, how much read write is going on. This is the root partition. So 63.8 GB of the root partition is being used by Arcolinux. And in the network, you can see how many connections are active. One connection is active. So how many in connections and how many out connections out of the network adapter. And what is the bandwidth of the net consumed by the adapter. You can see here down, up, everything is shown. And other thing that it is not showing is the LAN address. So I think this is the most comprehensive information given by any Conky. So do use this. If you are any other Conky, you can change over to this Conky by just clicking on this Conky, that is name AUR-Slate Conky Conky RC. You might be on the ArcoDev or the phone Conky. So you can just untick this and you can tick this, and you have to click OK, and the Conky will appear on the desktop. So that's it for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye.